Finally, Junior came up with something really cool. It's a little tube that you hook your compressor to, and it blows a ping pong ball that moves around, and it's a pellet target.
Pellet gun targets are not the greatest accessory for the home, but everyone loves candles.
Oh, for God's sakes, man.
So we're gonna make a candle holder that doubles as a target for our pellet gun.
Why don't we just make a pellet gun target?
That's what we're doing.
Nobody cares about candles.
You don't want a target on your kitchen table all day.
So the pellet gun target is also something else. Oh, that's a beaut, man. Put it on Pinterest. It's super sweet.
So we quickly soldered the pipes together to make it airtight.
That's good to go, dude.
So hook up this air compressor.
Ooh, that is
still hot.
Hot, eh?
There we go.
Nothing coming out of this one.
I thought we were gonna get more power coming through the two outlets in the copper pipe, but it didn't really seem to have enough power. But our Makita blower came to the rescue. That had a little bit more power. We just hooked it up to a hose and put it on a little fitting here, and it's attached to our beautiful candle holder, which is also going to blow a single ball now.
Ever suck in a candle?
No.
You wouldn't believe how cool it is.
Let's see it. Try again.
No.
Okay, you ready to do it?
I sure am.
You're up. It's dancing, isn't it?
I love shooting guns at any time. Shooting guns in the house is very comfortable.
Oh, it's kind of fun. Wouldn't you want this at your dinner table?
What? That ball is moving a little bit. It makes it tough. I got it this time, baby.
Oh! Come on.
Junior? I don't know, man. Should close his other eye. We finally have a really cool, interesting pellet gun target in the house.